welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some HHN 31 news with you guys, some updates on what's going on for HHN 31, and also some Universal updates as well. You guys remember when I was talking about Cabana Bay and their Swizzle Lounge, I was going to be rethemed into the Monsters Lounge and have drinks like Dracula, the Mummy, and the Wolfman. Universal announced now at all 8 Universal hotels, now you can have those special drinks at the select bars at the 8 Universal hotels. If you're at Universal and you're staying at one of the 8 Universal hotels, make sure that you grab one of those special drinks, especially if you're staying at Cabana Bay. You can check out the experience upstairs for the monsters, and you can also experience the Swizzle Lounge themed as monsters. And then now they added at Dockside Hotel at Sunset Lounge a Halloween themed bar, so you guys can go there. And remember, if you're staying at the 8 Universal hotels from September 2nd all the way through October 31st, they're gonna have special drinks like the Dracula, the Wolfman, and the Mummy drink all throughout the 8 Universal hotels. This update I do have for you guys is that the Rip Ride Rocket now has a Chucky theme song throughout the Halloween season at Universal Studios. All you have to do is, when you are getting on the attraction and sitting on the cart, when the team member pulls that yellow round strap to you, you just hold and press the Rip Ride Rocket logo, and then there's going to be like a digit code. Press 666 and then it will play the Chucky theme song, or Chucky saying some things throughout the entire ride. If you're a fan of Chucky and you want to have a Chucky experience on the Rip Ride Rocket, which is a rough ride in my opinion, go have a Chucky experience by just pressing 666 before riding the ride. I'm guessing that starts on September 2nd, or right now all the way through October 31st. So if you guys are a fan of milkshakes, which I am, I love milkshakes, I love cupcakes, cakes, all sweets. I know it's not good for you, but I am a big, huge fan of milkshakes. The Toothsome Chocolate Emporium is getting ready to set a bunch of milkshakes out. I don't know if it's like a bunch of milkshakes, but I know it's just one for right now for this Halloween season. I don't know when they're going to release this, but here's a picture right now of this milkshake. It looks good. I'm gonna try it if when I do go to Universal during the Halloween season, to go check this out, check this drink out for you guys and try it, because I love sweets, I love cakes, I love cupcakes, and especially milkshakes. So I'm gonna try that for sure. If you guys did not buy a ticket as of right now for the first night of Horror Nights, September 2nd, or on Sunday, September 4th, those 2 dates, September 2nd and September 4th, are sold out right now as this vlog is live. Right now they are sold out. Why? Well, because September 2nd is opening night of Halloween Horror Nights, and September 4th is the day before Labor Day, which is on Monday. So a lot of people are off, so that's why September 4th, that Sunday, is also sold out. That is all the HHN 31 news and updates that I have for you guys for HHN. Now, I haven't done a video about all the houses and scare zones. I will do that before this Friday, so stay tuned for that video. But if you guys want to watch other tips and tricks and a full guide for HHN 31, and if you've never been, or you've been hundreds of times, check that video out. It's linked in the description down below. So in other news about Universal, which I wanted to talk about in this video, I want to talk about the Mummy. Now, the Mummy has finally reopened, or soft opened, yesterday on Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. It just soft opened as a technical rehearsal early in the morning. Now, it did delay a little bit. Ride is in technical rehearsal. You don't have, when it goes down, you don't wait in line. The team members will escort you out the line because it's in technical rehearsals and they don't know when the ride will operate again. This is Universal's green ticket of saying, hey, we're gonna try some things here, because it was rumored that the ride had a few problems when Universal was done doing its huge update, its 8-month update, or almost 9 months now. And this is their ticket to test to the public on how the ride will operate. And once they have a good feeling of the ride operating 100%, no stops, no delay the entire day, and then that's when technical rehearsals will leave, and then the Mummy will be officially open to the public every single day after there's no delays whatsoever. If you are at Universal and they still have a sign of technical rehearsal, it does not mean that you have a chance to ride it. So don't complain at the team members. It's not their fault. It is in technical rehearsal. That's why they have a huge sign before you enter the attraction, and the team members will also let you know as well. All the updates that I have for HHN 31 of what's coming to all 8 Universal hotels and more, and Mummy finally soft opening, well, reopening, but soft opening, and it's in technical rehearsals right now. Once it officially reopens, I'll let you guys know so you guys are for your Universal trip. And more videos are to come for Universal and Disney, so make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button so you guys can be notified for each one of my videos that come out, and hit and kick that like button so this YouTube video can go out to the YouTube universe. Oh, with that being said, go live life, do what you love, and remember, always follow your dreams. Bye guys.